Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video by Ross Perry Productions. Well, in this video I'm going to be looking at another new product, and this time it's going to be an LED light bulb from AUXITO. So I'm really fortunate that the guys at AUXITO reached out to me because I've actually been considering upgrading my Jeep Wrangler lights from the standard H4s to an LED bulb. So they've reached out just in the right time. Now in this video, I'm going to be going through the product itself whilst we unbox it. I'll then do a time lapse of me fitting it to the car. We'll go out on the road, do some road testing, and then I'll come back and do a bit of a conclusion for you to see how they went. Now I've been into LED light bulbs for some time, and I've been following them, seeing the progress and seeing the new technologies out there. And you may or may not have seen my video some years ago fitting an LED bulb that looks like this onto an old Piaggio scooter. Now this bulb itself was actually really useless, and you may as well have put a candle on the front of the scooter. You probably would have got more light throw out of it. So I'm really interested to see what the newest, latest technology in LED bulbs is actually going to produce for us when we actually fit it to the car. So let's talk about the bulb itself. So it comes in a really nice sort of box and packaging. The actual model number for this is 9003/H4/HB2. It is a 9 to 30 volt DC fitting, so it will work on 24 volt trucks as well, so that's really handy. It's IP65 rated, so it does have that waterproofing you would expect. It's got quite a big temperature range if that matters to you, so it goes all the way down from -40 up to about +80, that's degrees centigrade. And the lifetime on the bulb is 30,000 hours, which is about 3.5 years continual use, which obviously is way more than we're gonna use this in our cars. It's made from an aviation grade aluminium, so although it looks like plastic, that is actually 6063 aluminium, and you can kind of see how they've actually put the bulb and the casing together itself. I won't take it apart, but it looks like you probably could if you wanted to. In the manual, it goes through the specifications, like so. The fitment to the cars, so it gives you a couple of different types. So it's probably a generic manual for a couple of their range. And then we get on to the warranty. So the warranty itself is a 24-month warranty. And it also gives you the contact details there, which is service@auxito.com as an email address. I'll put that just below for you in the video so you can see that. Okay, what else can we say about it? I think that's pretty much it. The box and everything's really nice. It's really well presented, if that matters to you. For delivery, I received this about 3 days after I ordered it, and I'm actually up in the Northern Territory, so dispatch from their website was really good. Another thing that they've also given to me that I can give to you guys is a 10% off. So if you look down in my description, you can actually see 10% off, and please also give the reference that will support my channel as well. So let's go out and we'll do some fitting to the car, and then I'll do the road test for you. I just wanted to show you the headlights with the standard H4 halogen bulbs before we go ahead and change them for the AUXITO LED bulbs. I'll also show you me driving down a dark lane, and also we will do a bit of a static test on the lights as well. So now out in my garage, and behind me is my 2009 Jeep Wrangler, which, as I said, is going to be the car that I'm going to be installing my AUXITO headlight bulbs to. Now the chances are you won't be installing them on a Jeep Wrangler, or if you do have a Jeep Wrangler, chances are they may not be a H4 bulb because mine have been changed. And for that reason, I'm just going to make this a really quick time lapse so you can just see me fitting them to the car, and then we'll do the road tests after. Now the only two tools I need to do the job is one of these to pop off some of the plastic poppers, and then a really small T10 Torx bit as well to go ahead and remove the lights. So let's get started. Okay, so we're about halfway now, and I just wanted to quickly show you the difference in the colour temperature. So the new AUXITO headlight bulb is a lot more white, and you can definitely tell it's a lot brighter. Whereas you can see the standard halogen H4 bulb, which looks like that, is a lot warmer in colour and a lot more orange. But so far so good. Certainly can see an improvement in the brightness. Let's carry on. Let's go out and test them on the roads. This is the standard H4 halogen bulb on dipped beam and on full beam. Dipped beam and on full beam. You're now seeing the AUXITO LED H4 light bulbs in dipped beam and full beam. Dipped beam and full beam. I'd like to conclude this video by first off mentioning how hard it was to actually film the lights at night and to get a true representation of how they actually look. So I hope I've done that justice in the end. Now, one of the things that you may have noticed in some of the test videos is it did look like the AUXITO LED bulbs were sometimes flickering, and I can confirm that's absolutely not the case. I believe that's something to do with the frame rate of the camera. Now, these are marketed as a direct replacement for the H4 halogen bulbs, and they are 100% that. The tabs, the electrical connections and the rough dimensions are all the same, and it was a super easy job to replace them. So don't be concerned with that. It's a super easy job and anyone will be able to do it. So would I recommend this product? Yes, I would. I'd absolutely recommend the product. They're very well made. The light that is given off is really bright and nice. If I was to be overly critical, I would say that the dipped beam was really, really good, and the full beam or main beam, it did start to lose some of the brightness towards the car, but it did light up everything else. So that's just me being overly critical. Like I say, you're gonna drive most of the time on dipped beam, and they are absolutely fantastic. So do remember, if you're going to go ahead and purchase these bulbs, please use my link. It will get you a 10% discount. You then get a further discount if you use my referral code, which is Ross Perry, as displayed on the screen now. And it also does support my channel, so please do use those if you're going to go ahead and purchase these. So please leave me any comments or messages down below if you have any. If not, please give me the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and look out for more videos.